Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela the Traveling Crafter, and it is time for the reveal of my Secret Santa for 2025. And the Christmas in July Swap 2025 is hosted by and created by our friend Carol at Crinkled Path and co-hosted by Sarah at New England Junk Journals, Pam Van E, and myself. And we are excited to see all of the videos upcoming, so be sure to look in the description. You will see all of the folks and fine talented friends and artists that are participating. Go check those out and vote on who you think somebody's Secret Santa is. Now, I'm curious if you guys think you know who my Secret Santa is, because I have absolutely no clue. And before we dig into my goodie box, I have had Demi unbox all of that because it was in a big box. I have not peeked, but first of all, I just have to say that thank you, Demi Rose, for unboxing my package. I am sorry, Secret Santa, for the delay in my videos, but I feel like you watch my videos, so you may know the reasoning behind it, and it is just because mail came and I was gone, and you know what I mean. But thank you. I love, this is just even more cute in person, and all of this fussy cutting, it makes me happy, and this is going to find a special place. I love that it's flocked. And then I have these sitting here because I'm going to be doing I'm going to fussy cut Santa. And I already, that Coronet magazine from 1952, I already started taking, I have the rest of it over here. A Buck and Bronco. We have Kraft's cheese slices. I've got some Beauty Salad Master, because, you know, why wouldn't you? Look at the cute bears. What did I got the Salad Master, but there was something else, I think. Or maybe it came out. Oh, this River Rice, too. I didn't see those bears until just now. Vita Fluff shampoo for more fashion. Actually, I think, well, I can't tell you who my Secret Santa is yet. But anyway, I have something planned for that. Some toothpaste for the Dave's journal. And I love this. King and Queen of Antique Hunters. I'm going to read this. So I took all the pages out that went with that. And then that. Actually, Hazel needs this one. Not because it says time for courtesy. Just because it's a clock and she really likes the clocks, and that's just a cool image. So I probably will put that aside for her. But thank you, Santa. I love everything. And this is a piece of fabric by Marcus Brothers Textiles. If you know, you know. I couldn't tell from Demi's video if it was a napkin, a plate. You know, I just couldn't tell. So, all right, let me move these out of the way and let's get started. Now, I see something on here, and I'm really curious about it. Well, here, we'll just go like this and put it all up here, so you can kind of be curious as well. I think I need to zoom out a little bit. Let me look here. My lighting is terrible. My phone is broken. It's, you know, things are on my list. I have something else over here, but I'll grab that in a second, because it's kind of big. This looks like a tablecloth. Oh, no! Shush. It's a curtain panel. Now, this makes me think this is somebody who knows me really well. Okay, this is a big curtain panel, and it's the full thing. So here's the top, right? And it's roses. Very shabby chic, right? Here's the bottom. It's scalloped. My windows are not huge in the Belle Rose. I think I can use this on one of the windows. Oh, this is not getting cut up. No way. So I think Santa knows me pretty well, or watches my videos quite a bit to know what I'm up to at the lake. Thank you, Santa. Let's see. Oh, that looks interesting. Oh my gosh. Mousy mousies. Little mousy mouse. Oh my gosh, those are cute. And they're Christmas. Okay, so I had that other 80s. This would kind of make a cute 80s Christmas journal, wouldn't it? All right, I'm making a stack because that is going to the lake next time, the curtains. Oh my gosh, more. Okay, so I I love these. I have a bunch on Restoration Harmony Home on the district.net. And, you know, a lot of these are made by Beastal or whoever, but, you know, they're vintage. And you used to put them up in your window for the different holidays. This one actually would work in a journal. But the other thing I like to do is take flower frogs, the metal ones, and pop these in at Christmas and have kind of a display as well. So that will probably go into decor because it's just too cute. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. See, somebody knows me. I'm telling you right now. Santa, you are snaky. Look at that. This is sailors. And then the anchor. I know that's really hard to see. And the compass. That's unique. Very vintage. And this, can't beat orange. It's my favorite. I love this. You can't go wrong with Rick Rack. As Sierra from Cooley Craft Corner says, leave no Rick Rack behind. And trust me, I think of her every single time I find Rick Rack, whether it's vintage or not. I just buy it. Because she's in my ear. I know. She's saying, girl, don't do it. Oh, that's cute. I don't have a lot of Christmas fabric, so that will be fantastic. Love, love, love. Christmas stack. Okay, I can't handle it anymore. I gotta look at this. This one looks like it's contact paper. Oh my. Yes, please. Going right up there with my little mushy stuff that I got from Hazel. Oh, I just need to do a big old mushroom journal. That is so cool. I don't know. Maybe this is like, this might be wallpaper because it's heavy. I think this is just peel and stick wallpaper instead of, because it's heavier than contact paper. Oh my. Love. Love, love, love. What are these? Oh, I like Park Lane stuff. I'm not going to open it up, but these are all little die cuts. See, in the last video she shared that a little elf told her that I don't like to fussy cut. She's right. This might be the reveal. Oh, I think I might know who it is. It says, sourcing for you is easy peasy lemon squeezy because you are fun and unique and open. Love, Secret Santa. Okay. If I had to guess right at this moment, only because she said easy peasy lemon squeezy, which I say all the time, and she always teases me about it in a good way. They could be Sierra. She did send me Rick Rack. I don't know. I'm not opening this yet because we're going to find out. Care Bear. Oh my gosh. Look at this Care Bear pen. You know, I just scored some Care Bears. I got to share some of them with friends, but look at that. A Happy Holidays Care Bear on skis. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at that. Christmas in July. Well, somebody... Oh my gosh, these are great. Those are fantastic. Oh, well, I'm saving this for next Christmas in July because I'm going to need these. These would also, they've got the little holes in them, so they'd be really cute to put on packages. Kind of like she did right there, right? Love it. Christmas poems, stories, and carols. Now I'm dying to know if it... I mean, I could be very wrong, but Sierra says that. 1995. Oh, this is cool. I love the size page, and it looks like I can just take the book apart and they're already signatures. Oh, this is great. We'll see if I'm going to get proved wrong. That's the, like I said, that's the only reason because of that. This is cool, isn't it? This is making me very curious. I'm excited to see what that's all about. That's cool. And it's stranchy. A Christmas McCall's Make It ideas. Oh my, we might have to do, you know what? I'm not going to go through all of this right now. I'm going to do a special go through because this Christmas, crafts, and vintage all in one. Oh, heck. Oh my gosh. Heck yes. We are going to go. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. We're saving this. What year is this from? Oh, there's another book in there. Okay, we got to know that before we're coming back to this one. This deserves a whole debut all in itself. Santa. Oh, I don't see it. Do you guys? It just says copyright. Come on now. Has to have it. Volume 10. Well, we'll figure it out when we go through it. That is awesome. I don't know. I might not be able to cut that one up. Oh, Kathy Wilburn. Kathy, your images are cute. This is Clement Moore's The Night Before Christmas. Ooh, I like those colors. Oh, those little kids. I love this. I love her images. And it's got my mousies on it. You know, this would be cute to incorporate somehow this cover into a Christmas mouse journal. But use the cover as it is. Oh, I like it. Oh, gosh. Christmas mouse wrapping paper? No way. That is a lot of Christmas. Oh, wait. Is there more? Maybe that's not all that's in there. It seems like that is a lot of paper. It is. Oh, girl. I might be wrapping my Christmas presents with this. We'll save a little for journaling, but this is neat. Okay, I have 2 more things to show you, then I can look at the card. Okay. This. Now, let me just say. Do you guys remember these from the 80s? And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know I will be... Holy moly. Oh, definitely now I'll be using these. They're Vera Newman? She's my idol. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Santa. See, this is definitely somebody who knows me. This is a treasure. Okay, so what I was going to say is these would be fun to use at the Belle Rose. Not with Elvira's name on it. We got to keep these fresh. I'll use them at home. Oh my gosh, I love these. Santa. Santa, Santa. Okay, last but not least, something else I'm in love with. Now, I don't know if... Oh, she may have made this. It is. Well, wait a minute. I shouldn't assume that. It says Love Sierra at Cooley Craft Corner. But maybe somebody else bought this from Sierra. Sierra, did you make this? These are awesome. It'll go really cute next to my mushy. Oh, I love that. I love this fabric. Okay, let's get to it. Let's see if... I kind of think it is. I kind of think so. Look at the bunny at it. Okay, what's it say? I'm so happy to be your Santa, Ange. It is definitely. P.S. I forgot if you... Oh, girl. Okay, so it is Sierra. See, she was sneaky like me, waiting it out. Oh, Sierra, I'm just giddy. Literally, I cannot believe that you were my Santa. And, I mean, I love everything that you sent. Everything. But I'm telling you right now, these, special place in my heart. They're going to... I will think about you every time I get them out and then tell my family not to put anything too hot on them because I don't want to ruin them. Oh, you guys, this was so much fun. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I hope you continue to watch all of the videos and find out who their Secret Santas are. I have one more video that will be coming up. I think I have a few days. I don't know, do I? I better check with the boss, but here, I've got right here. When do I need to post that? Oh yeah, I got till August 2nd, so a few more days. I need to edit the video that I did showing the process in the things I'm sending, or I sent to my Secret Santa, and revealing who that is. And then I have a special, I couldn't post it, but I have a special new tutorial that I had an inspiration, and I was like, oh, crud chunks. I sent one of those items to my Secret Santa, so I can't post that video yet. So look forward to those two, and be sure to go and subscribe to all of the wonderful people. Subscribe to my Santa Sierra. That girl is a busy, busy woman. She's going to school. She's got 5 kids. She's getting ready to move. And she still managed to deliver on some sweet and special Secret Santa gifts. So thank you. Love you to the moon, kid. And until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.